guys, it's Ben, aka Skiing 72, and today we're going to be riding the four-wheeler. And we have this wagon here. We put some cushion in it when we were riding in the back. And today we're gonna make a YouTube video of it. Let's go. So Jack here. I'll take the camera from Jack. Jack's gonna be driving. There's Lukey. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get in. Alright guys, I'm in.
Ready?
Yeah. What's up guys? It's Ben, skiing 72. The pillow. Here, yeah, pull around. Oh shit. Okay. All right, guys. So, yeah. Go get the pillow. Oh, let's go get the pillow. Here, I got the pillow, and Jack, remember, don't go down the thing, okay? Wait, here, put that one right there.
So hold on to that one. Like
Yeah, I'll hold on to that. Alright, guys. I'll tell you when I'm ready, Jack. Hit the gas! Bruh, I was this close of sliding out of it. Bruh. Wait, did you leave the pillow? Oh, yeah, I did. Wait, what?
it's fine. We'll go get it.
Yeah. Alright, guys, I lost the pillow. Alright, now it's Jack's turn.
Let me see like that.
Alright, it's Jack's turn now. Yep.
Yeah, if we're not allowed to go in the circle. All right, we gotta get inside.